Hey guys, welcome to the video on generative AI. In this video, we will see a project on BERT architecture, which is an encoder only model which provides an output meaningful text representation based on the query asked for the context provided. So here in this project, we have used a deep sets BERT based cased squad model which is fine-tuned on question and answer dataset. So here we will take a context which is taken from a Wikipedia page which is on giraffe, and we will ask a question that how many giraffe species are there. So in this, based on this context, there are 8 species, so the model should return the word 8. So first we will initialize a tokenizer and the model object, then the input, with that is question and the context, is tokenized, meaning it's converted into a numerical representation because the model doesn't knows the words that human understands, so it has to be converted to a numerical representation. We call it as a tokenizer. So this model has its own tokenizer, so we are using that specific tokenizer and converting the question and the context to the token representation which is understood by this model which we are using. So now we will put this question, that is our query, and this context to our model object which we have initiated, and after training it will give us a start source and an end source. So start source and end source can be a single number or a different number. It will give a different number if output text is more than one word. Like if I had to return this phrase, so the start source will be the, and the end source will be giraffe, which is the index that it will return. So we will put it into a softmax activation function which will provides the maximum probability of occurrence of a specific word based on the prompt that we have asked, based on the question that we have provided. So we have this code which will help us represent the start and end source that it has returned. So it has returned an number 85, which is nothing but this word 8. This, its location in the string is 85, so it has returned start and end. Source is 85. So then we have an array like this is from 0 to 120, so we have approximately 120 words. So the 8 lies at the 85th position. So this position has, now we are taking the index of this position and we are converting this tokenized representation into a word representation or text representation which is understood by a human. So output is 8. This is all for now for the BERT model. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel to get the future updates on some amazing generative AI content. Thanks for watching.